Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the Anna Griffin card kit, Simply Tropical card making kit. Here we go. I purchased this kit on HSN, and let's just go through here and see what we get. Okay, on the top we have the inspiration sheet. It gives you a lot of really nice ideas for cards to make with the kit. I hope I'm in frame. There we go. And on the back, more inspiration. Okay. Also included in the kit are bows. These are such a beautiful color. You have some foam, little foam squares. There are gold embellishments. We'll go through those. There are backing cards. We'll go through those. These are the card bases. Let me snip that. And envelopes. A pack of stickers. Aren't these pretty? And sentiments. Okay, well, let's start with the card bases. Let's see what all we get. Move these envelopes over here. Okay, this is a beautiful pattern. And inside it says, "May every day be more wonderful than the last." That's a beautiful thing to say. Okay, and two of the exact same ones. Then we have this card base, and these are heavy-duty cardstock. Find time to feel the love. Very nice. And again, we have same thing. It looks like we're getting two of each design. So here we go. And sending you love and light. Very sweet. And this design. Oh, I like that pink. That's very pretty. Is this one? Yeah, it's upside down. Thanks for being my friend. I know exactly who this card is going to be made for and who I'm going to send it to. Let's turn those around. Great things are coming your way. That is again another pink design. Very pretty. Nice for a graduating person. And here's the last design. And it says, "Warms my heart just like you." Very nice. Next, we have the card bases. Let's see what designs we get with these. I'm assuming we'll get two of the same design again. Two of this design. They match back to the card bases, of course. Very, very nice. And this is the last one. Then we have a pack of sentiments. I apologize for the noise. These are so well made. The quality is so nice. Positive vibes, sunshine, warm wishes, Warm wishes, positive vibes. You make each day brighter. Nice. Sunshine. Sunny greetings. And today is your day. Very nice. And these are very well made. And they're on foam pop-ups. And it gives them like a three-dimensional look. Very nice hard cardstock. Then we have the stickers. Excuse the noise. Happens with an unboxing, unfortunately. Okay, with our stickers, we've got a really nice set of stickers. We have this. Let's just pick that up and I'll bring that closer for you. Whoops, let me turn it around. There you go. More than one of those. Another one of those. You've got this beautiful rose, pink rose. Done that one. We've done that one. So we have 4 of this design in the pack. Another rose, a hibiscus. Very pretty. And again, these are doubled up 3D quality cardstock. We have a palm tree. That's cute. And it looks like there are 4 palm trees. So there's 4 of each design, I believe, in here. 3 to 4 anyway. Pretty blue. 4 of those. And we've seen these. So you get a lot of stickers in this card kit. And they're all nice and they're high quality. Next, we'll go through the gold stickers. Oh, so pretty. We have a type of fern design. Tropical leaf. Let me show you that better that way. See 3 of those. We have a shell. Another tropical leaf. Another shell. Nice. Flower with a leaf. Another shell. Another tropical leaf. Palm trees. And here is a different palm tree, and it's 2 palm trees together. And there are 3 of those in the kit. So for each one of the foiled stickers, there are 3 of each design in the kit. Okay. And then we have the bows, and I love these bows. Are so pretty. I love the color of these bows. It's a coral color, and it matches back beautifully to the designs in the kit. So there we go. Okay. So that is the complete kit, along with the instruction sheet. Well, it's not an instruction sheet. It's an inspiration sheet. You just follow the designs and create your cards. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Comment and let me know what you think of this kit. And I did want to share with you that I also bought the Paradise cardstock collection. So in my next video, I'll go over what is inside of this collection. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you're having a blessed day.
Until next time, God bless you and Goodbye for now.